Hello everybody and welcome to this talk on the pelvic floor. The aim of this talk is just to give you a brief idea and understanding of the role and function of the pelvic floor, where it's located, what it does, and then introduce you to a couple of important things. So why breathing is so important, some factors that can affect pelvic floor health, and then have a talk about how to strengthen your pelvic floor with a few different types of exercises. Alongside this, you're going to find that there is a PDF that you can download that just summarises some of this key information and goes through the exercises again. This is not a substitute for seeing a medical professional, and anybody who has any significant pelvic floor weakness, and they even say any woman who's had a pregnancy should actually see a women's health physiotherapist to have the function of the pelvic floor checked. So if you are looking into that, remember to specify that you're looking for a women's health physio that actually does internal investigations, which means they can very gently examine your pelvic floor just to make sure that the right muscles are contracting. And every woman really should go and see these people because they're incredible and they are so beneficial. And often just a one-off session is enough to reassure you that things are going okay.